Hello?
Hi, this is Lori with. May I speak tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am, that's me.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good.
Well,
How you
good. I'm
doing?
glad to hear that. I'm good. Thank you for asking. We provide top, side, bottom entry, and mag drive mixers to optimize each application, which saves you money on the life cycle of your equipment. And we actually offer over 140 different impeller designs. We offer rugged, reliable mixers in the market today, and we utilize the latest in agitation technology. And I was just reaching out to see if you would be open to a Zoom introduction meeting with our president just to see if our mixers would be a good fit for any current or future project.
I'm good, but appreciate it though. Thank you for reaching out.
Oh, okay. Do you currently use any mixers or do you have a partner?
We have several vendors that we work with. You will have to go through our vendor approval process.
Oh, the vendor. And how would I need to do that?
You will have to reach out to a procurement team, and they will review your application and either accept it or reject it. Typically, that's a 3-month process.
Oh, okay. Is that do we start online or do we need to call a certain number?
If you want, you can send me an email, and I can get that information over to you guys.
Oh, okay. What I can do is I can send an email with some information about us. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Okay. May I have your email address?
Yes, it's
And what was it again? I'm so sorry.
at
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'll send out some information about us. Would it be okay if someone just gave you a call in a week or so, see if you have any questions?
Yeah, that's okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Is this a good number to reach you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I'll get that email over to you, and then we'll just reach out.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.